Now let us see one CAT replica question. CAT replica question in Google, you will find a traditional method. In case if you want to clear the CAT examination in the first attempt, you should know the right approaches and you should have the right guidance. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. X, Y are natural numbers. How many values X and Y will take? How many values X and Y will take, which will satisfy these equation? X square minus Y square. Actually, the exact CAT question is like this. Exact CAT question some 4 years before. This was the first question which came on the CAT examination slot 1. 9876 543210. This is the exact CAT question. I will discuss this question. This question can be solved in less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds if you know the approach. X square minus Y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. If any student thinks that they are good in mathematics and you are trying to factorize this number, then I wish you good luck. Right? This method is a wrong approach to solve the question. Why? Because why I said it is a wrong approach. Anything which takes more steps, anything which takes more steps, and anything which takes more time, definitely I would not recommend that approach to a students. Why? Because you are writing competitive examination. Even one right answer matters a lot. If you can save time, if one question has got a 4 options, right answer 3, wrong -1. If you do one incorrect, you will lose -4 marks. -4 marks. There is a difference between 99.8 percentile and 99.4 percentile. My own younger brother who has done his MBA from IIM Bangalore has lost seat in IIM Ahmedabad because of a difference of 0.4 percentile. 0.4 percentile. If you are solving like this, thanks a lot. This is not the approach Anil Nair is going to solve, right? In case the same class, the same method, if you are seeing it in another YouTube channel, then you are unnecessarily wasting time here. In case if you are watching my class, at the end of the class, the kind of concept that you are learning, it should make you 2x level, 3x level better. Otherwise, it's a waste of time for me to take the class as the founder of an organization. And it is also a double time investment of time for you. Each and every class of mine is full of content, full of unique content. Now, how will I solve this question? Now see here.